Hey guys, it's Jacob with Edge Products, and we are excited to announce that it's finally free EGT Probe season again. That's right, starting May 1st and running through June 30th this year, any purchase of an Evolution CTS3 diesel, an Insight CTS3, or our all-new Insight Plus CTS3, which is the Insight with custom tuning ability to load custom tunes into your truck with the CTS3. Any one of those purchases between May 1st and June 30th gets you qualified for that free EGT Probe, which is a $165 value. So when you purchase that product, whether you get it from Edge Products website or through an authorized Edge reseller, once you receive that product, you get the serial number off the package, go to our website, fill out the submission form, give us that serial number, a proof of your purchase, which is obviously your invoice, and submit that. We'll review it and we will ship you that EGT Probe right to your house at no cost to you. This is a huge savings and a big promo that we run this time of year so that you can keep an eye on those exhaust gas temperatures while you're towing through the summer months. To learn more, visit us at edgeproducts.com or stop by your local Edge authorized dealer.